Hi students, welcome to the video session on Industries Part 2. In this video, we are going to learn about factors affecting the establishment of industries, major industries of the world, their iron and steel industry, cotton textile industry, information technology, and fishing industry. Today in this video, we will be learning about iron and steel industry. The rest we will be learning in part 3 of the video. Factors affecting the establishment of industries. Industries are established in certain areas which become centers of industrial activity. The establishment of an industry depends on the following factors. First, raw materials. Location of industries depends on the nature and availability of raw material. Industries based on bulky and weight-losing material are located close to the sources of raw material. For example, the textile mills of Mumbai get the supply of cotton from Gujarat, and the jute mills of Hooghly region get the raw materials from the delta region of Ganga. Similarly, the iron and steel industry is located in the region where iron ore, limestone, manganese, and coal are available nearby. The nature of raw material also decides the location of industries. For example, the perishable raw materials have to be processed without loss of time before manufacturing. That is why sugar mills and dairy product manufacturing industries are located close to the source of the raw material. The second factor is water supply. All industries depend heavily on the availability of water for one purpose or the other. These include iron and steel, textile, food processing, etc. Therefore, these industrial units are located at places where water is easily available. The third factor is energy. Energy is required to process raw materials into manufactured goods. That is why iron and steel industries are usually located near coal resources as they use coking coal for fuel. Similarly, electrochemical industries which require power are located where electricity is easily available. The fourth factor is transport. Transport is an essential requirement for industrial development as transport facilities are required to carry raw materials to manufacturing units and finished products to the markets. The availability of transport facilities has led to the development of industries near the port town that are linked with the rail and road to the hinterland. The fifth factor, that is labor. The availability of both skilled and unskilled manpower is an important factor in the location of industries. It is because of the cheap labor from the surrounding areas to Delhi and Mumbai that a large number of industries are located in these metropolitan cities. Some of the small-scale industries traditionally associated with labor are glasswork, brasswork, utensils, silk sarees, carpets, etc. The sixth factor, that is market. The existence of market is the ultimate requirement of every industry because whatever is produced needs to be sold. For example, heavy industries are located in industrial areas because their products are required by other industries of the region. Similarly, industries which produce perishable goods are located near the market so that they reach the market at the earliest. The seventh factor, that is climate. It plays a significant factor in the location of industries, especially agro-based industries. For instance, cotton textile industry is located in Maharashtra, which has a favorable climate and soil for the growth of cotton. Extreme type of climate not favorable for the location of industries as it not only affects the availability of raw materials but also the efficiency of the workers. The eighth factor, that is capital. Capital or money is required at every stage of setting up and running an industrial concern. It is needed for buying land, machinery, raw material, power, and for paying wages and other expenditure. Industries are set up in areas where finances are easily available. And the last factor, that is role of the government. The government has very significant role in the industrialization process, especially in the developing and underdeveloped countries. The big industries which require large infrastructure and capital are set up by the government. The government makes rules and regulations for running the industries and also provides the basic facilities like land, water, and electricity. Further, it is the government which makes policies and takes decisions to protect and encourage indigenous industries. Now let us learn about the major industries of the world. The world's major industries are the iron and steel industry, textile industry, information technology industry, sugar industry, shipbuilding industry, fishing industry, and automobile industry. And today, let us learn the iron and steel industry in detail. The iron and steel industry forms the backbone of modern industry. It is also called the basic industry because it provides raw material, that is steel, for other industries such as machine tools, automobile, and shipping industry. Steel is stronger than iron, more resistant to rust, and can be easily shaped, cut, or made into wires. Special alloys of steel can be made by adding small amounts of other materials like aluminium, copper, and nickel. Everything we use in our daily life is either made of iron or steel, or has been made with tools and machinery made of these metals. Steel is used in the construction of buildings and for manufacturing ships, trains, trucks, buses, autos. The utensils, cutlery, scissors, pins, and needles are all made of steel. Minerals are mined with steel equipment. Oil wells are drilled with steel machinery, and oil is transported using steel pipelines. The iron and steel industry is a mineral-based industry. The main raw materials used for the production of steel are iron ore, limestone, manganese, silica, and coal. These raw materials are put in blast furnace where they undergo smelting, that is, they are heated beyond their melting point. Molten iron is collected at the base of the furnace and the product is obtained is called pig iron. It is then refined by removing the impurities. After that, it is hardened by adding strengthening material like manganese to get the desired quality of steel. Distribution. The largest producers of steel in the world are China, Japan, India, the USA, Russia, South Korea, Germany, Brazil, Turkey, Ukraine, and Italy. The Indian iron and steel industry consists of large integrated steel plants as well as mini steel plants. All the important steel producing centers in India are spread over 4 states, namely West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. These include Durgapur and Burnpur, that is in West Bengal, Jamshedpur and Bokaro in Jharkhand, Rourkela in Odisha, and Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, Bhadravati and Vijayanagar in Karnataka, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, and Salem in Tamil Nadu are the other important steel producing centers in India. Students, please read the lesson. Thank you for learning along. We'll be back with part 3 of the video. Thank you and have a great day.